Hello, everyone. Welcome back into the Fairbanks City News. Time for a look at weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. Another frigid day across the interior. It's going to continue that way through the weekend, but there is good news on the horizon. By this time next week, we could be looking at temperatures in the teens above zero. So we'll have something to get excited about, right? Our photograph tonight. This one's sent in by Gary Kahlberg. He sends in lots of photographs. He's a great photographer. As you can see here, auroras and the ice fog. The ice fog of the lights here from the Silver Gulch area. As you can see, once again, some beautiful colors. And as always, if you have a photograph, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. That's gorgeous. Here our almanac looks like. The high today, 17 below. Right now, it's already dropped down to 29 below. The low last night, right at 40 degrees below zero. Record high 40 above in 1935. Record low 52 below in 1953. Sunrise and sunset, about 7 hours and 38 minutes. A gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And our Aurora watch, once again, about a moderate level 3. And if you feel like going out there and sitting in the frigid temperatures, you'll have a chance to see some auroras maybe. And once again, an air quality alert. When don't we have an air quality alert? Anyway, North Pole is in an unhealthy category, and Fairbanks is under unhealthy for sensitive group status. And this will actually go through, actually it went through 5 p.m. today, but now it goes in through the weekend, unfortunately. That's not good news. All right, here's what's going on as far as the rest of the state is concerned. And you can see our winter trails report. We'll give it to you early. Why not? It's still way too cold and dangerous to venture outdoors, but a good time to make sure all of your equipment is ready for next weekend when temperatures will be perfect for all activities. So fix your stuff. Get it all ready for next weekend because it's going to be great next weekend. Now we'll go to our satellite and radar. And as you can see, we have a little bit of an area of low pressure sitting down over southeast Alaska. This is spinning around, bringing lots of moisture. Had a lot of snow last night. To Ketchikan, it's starting to fizzle out now. But again, nothing going on in the main part of the state. There are no clouds to be seen anywhere, and that's going to continue. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, the precipitation has stopped around Ketchikan. Still some light snow in the Juneau area. 9 degrees at Juneau. That's pretty cold for them. Kodiak, a little rain and snow mix, 29 degrees there. Anchorage at 22, 2 degrees at Bethel, and 4 degrees around the Nome area. 15 below at Barrow, not too bad for this time of year, but 42 degrees below zero in Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather looks like this. And again, more rain falling across the Pacific Northwest. This rain is getting serious, folks. We're getting some dynamic flooding going on. You'll probably see more of that on the NBC Nightly News. Rain stretching all the way down into Southern California, too. The rest of the country looking pretty good. 70 degrees at Denver, 58 in Dallas. That's kind of unusual. And over the northeast, more light snow, but moving out of the picture. That's the good news. On the radar, you can see a little bit of light snow still moving across the Great Lakes. That is exiting over the Atlantic Ocean. But look at all the rain moving across Southern California. I should say Northern California into Southern California. Very heavy rainfall. And it looks like this for tomorrow. Stormy Saturday will continue with rain across Washington all the way down to Northern California. And again, the jet stream will be the culprit for early next week as it brings more rain over the western half of the states. Nice weather over the south, more cool and frigid conditions across the Great Lakes. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. A few clouds with some blowing snow for Barrow and Nome, variable cloudiness and cold for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll have a little ice fog in the morning. That should be moving out of the picture, and then mostly clear skies across the region. And as far as southeast Alaska, calmed down considerably from what it was yesterday. Just snow showers will be the rule for the Juneau and Ketchikan areas. Well over the southwest part of the state, we're looking at snow showers at Cold Bay, sunny skies in Bethel, and blowing snow in the Kodiak region. And over south central sections, sunny skies across the region, but strong winds in the Valdez area. Winds were gusting up to 80 miles an hour in the Thompson Pass area. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 40 below once again with severe cold and areas of ice fog. The fog can get dense at times, so keep that in mind. Tomorrow, the ice fog should burn off by midday. 21 degrees below zero with lots of sunshine. But now let's give you some good news. As you can see here, temperatures beginning to rise right above to the 10-degree mark by next Thursday. That's above zero, folks, not below. And the overnight lows will also start to rise, which is nice to see. So we're finally going to be breaking out of this cold snap. I know it's a gamble to say this, but I think this might be the last real strong cold snap we should see for this winter.